Welcome to your latest update from the Met Office, and welcome to a fairly grey Monday. For most it is going to be a pretty drab day, but it will be also a largely dry day. High pressure has been dominating, slipping away to the east, and we do have weak weather fronts nearby. But for the rest of this week, another area of high pressure moves in. There will be weather fronts drifting southwards. That will change things up a little through the middle of the week. But then, look, high pressure moves back in. So we're not going to see much rain at all, certainly not across the south through this week. At times, though, it will be quite wet and windy further north. Let's focus back in, though, on Monday because, as I said, grey kind of sums up the rest of today. Patchy rain over the highlands, at times getting down into Argyll and Butte, but brighter skies maybe over the Northern Isles, a few showers possible here. Generally elsewhere, light winds, some breaks in the cloud possible for North Wales, certainly North East England and Eastern Scotland seeing a little bit of blue sky at times. But for most, it's rather glum and it feels cold under that cloud. Temperatures certainly in the south 4 or 5 degrees. Some places may not get much above 2 or 3, but with some sunny spells, we'll see temperatures a little higher, double figures possible in Aberdeenshire with a bit of brightness. Across western Scotland, there will be that patchy rain affecting the highlands. That'll continue on and off and across the Western Isles overnight. Otherwise, though, it's a dry night. Again, we'll have a lot of cloud. That'll stop temperatures falling too far, but even where it's cloudy, we could see temperatures, certainly in some urban areas, dipping close to freezing. And certainly where we have breaks in the cloud, maybe North Wales, North East England, Eastern Scotland, there will be some pockets of frost here too. But the far northwest staying relatively mild with a breeze and further patchy rain. That'll tend to peter out a little bit during Tuesday morning, but we'll see more rain then pushing back into the northwest during Tuesday afternoon. Elsewhere, Tuesday's a very similar story, a rather drab day. Slate grey skies for many. Some breaks in the cloud. Again, Aberdeenshire, North East England seeing a bit of sunshine, but elsewhere, I think blue skies in short supply. And again, probably feeling cold. If anything, a little colder compared to today. Temperatures more widely only 2 or 3 degrees, even in towns and cities. So that's going to feel pretty cold, even though the winds will be light. Again, highest temperatures northern Scotland, but there will be that rain creeping in here. And the winds picking up as well. It's going to be a feature of the weather across northern Scotland throughout this week. Often pretty blustery with some rain, but always as that rain sinks southwards, we may end up with a bit of drizzle through the central belt, but it's really petering out. And England and Wales staying largely dry. And that's how it looks through the rest of this week. We'll have a full week ahead forecast available on Monday afternoon on YouTube, so make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channels and make sure you're following us right across social media.